Welcome to HH Beauty Garden, your go-to channel for all things green and gorgeous. With a decade of experience nurturing plants, I've learned a few tricks that truly work wonders. Today, I'm thrilled to share a secret to reviving seemingly withered roses and helping them root quickly using simple, natural ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Let's dive into the magic of natural rooting hormones. Step 1. The rice water base. First, we'll create a powerful base with rice water. Soak 3 tablespoons of rice in 300 milliliters of clean water for 6 to 8 hours. Did you know rice is a kitchen staple that naturally stimulates root growth? It's safe, simple, and incredibly effective. Step 2. The garlic, lemon, and aloe vera boost. Next, we'll supercharge our solution. Garlic. Take 3 cloves of garlic, peel, and chop them. Garlic not only disinfects cuts but also boasts natural antibacterial properties, protecting your rose stems from harmful fungi and bacteria. Lemon. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the prepared garlic. Lemon juice balances pH and acts as an antibacterial agent, creating an ideal environment for healthy root development. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves roses as much as we do. It really helps the channel grow. Aloe vera. Add about 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the mixture. Make sure to use only the white gel from inside the leaf. Aloe vera moisturizes, provides natural vitamins, and directly stimulates the rooting process. This potent blend of garlic, lemon, and aloe vera works together to disinfect, balance pH, moisturize, and rapidly stimulate root growth. Step 3. Dilute. And rest. Add 150 milliliters of filtered water to the mixture to dilute the solution. This helps nutrients easily penetrate the rose branches. Let the mixture rest for about 10 minutes. Step 4. Prepare your cuttings while our rooting solution settles. Let's prepare your rose cuttings for success. Choose wisely, select healthy branches, free of pests and diseases, not too young, not too old. Trim and prune. Remove thorns and excess leaves to prevent dehydration and fungal growth. Gently prune leaves near the leaf node, where new shoots will emerge. angle cut, make a 45-degree angle cut at the base of the branch. This increases the contact area with the rooting solution and enhances nutrient absorption. Garlic rub. Gently rub a clove of garlic into the cut to disinfect and stimulate rooting. Seal the top. Use a little candle wax to cover the top of the cutting. This helps retain moisture and prevents drying out during the rooting process. Step 5. Combine and soak. After your rice water has soaked, filter out any residue and mix it with the garlic, aloe vera, and lemon mixture. This ensures a clear solution that's easy for the branches to absorb. Gently place the base of your rose branch into the solution and soak for about 4 to 6 hours. This allows nutrients to penetrate deeply, stimulating faster and stronger root formation. Step 6. Planting in sand. I love using sand as a growing medium because it drains well, preventing waterlogging and limiting fungus. Fill a plastic cup with sand and moisten it evenly with your newly mixed rooting solution. Gently insert the rose stem into the sand cup, ensuring the leaf node faces outwards where new leaf buds will develop. Step 7. Create a humid environment. Cover the cup tightly with a lid to retain moisture and create an ideal environment for your cuttings. Place the cup in a spot with soft light, away from direct sunlight, to prevent wilting. Regular care, like checking humidity and misting as needed, will keep your cuttings hydrated. Step 8. Watch the magic happen. After about 7 to 14 days, you should start to see roots emerging. Small white roots growing from the base of the cutting are a clear sign of healthy growth. You'll also notice new shoots sprouting at the leaf nodes, signaling new life. Once the roots have developed healthily and the shoots have grown evenly, it's time to transfer your cutting to a larger pot to give it optimal growing space. Thank you for joining me on this journey of natural rose propagation. I hope these simple, yet effective tips help you easily care for and successfully grow beautiful roses in your own garden. Don't forget to subscribe to HH Beauty Garden for more useful tips. Good luck, and happy gardening!